I got a new wiring harness for this ceiling fan, and now I'm going to wire it up. I'm going to hook up this gray wire to this light blue wire. The light blue wire I put in this fan. I was using these crimp-on connectors. Make sure I get a secure connection. Okay. No, was there some that I needed? There was supposed to be a white wire. The harness came with some extra wire that's not going to be used in this fan. This is the wire I was talking about. It already has wire in there. So I'm gonna strip this wire. I'll need the bigger crimp-on connector for this. All these white wires go together. Of course, this one hanging down connected to nothing will connect to the light kit later on. Make sure that should be tight. That should be good enough. Okay. Oh God, okay, good. It's discharged the capacitor. Sometimes I get a little bit frightened by the capacitors, by these things. I really don't like them. Make sure that's tight. Okay, there's another one there. This one I didn't even bother to remove it because it can stay the same. It's from the reverse switch to the capacitor. I gotta better hope this gets in here. Squeeze that. Set that down. That blue wire, we'll just leave it alone for now. This black wire. Wires have to get in the stinking way of everything. That goes into that L slot right there. I got one with the longer chain because these are meant to have the bowl-shaped light kit. So I'm gonna remove that. this reverse switch. It's the icon of a sun and a snowflake. Fits in the snowflake position that's updraft. When it's on the sun icon, it's downdraft. If that makes any sense. Try and get this in here. Of course, I bumped the canopy into the tripod. I'm not going to tighten that down all the way quite yet. I just got to find the other stinking screw. Where did I put it? There it is. It was right by the wires coming from the top of the fan. Is it even going in there? Get in there. Good night. Finally. Oof. That should be good. Now I'm gonna make sure this works. Ooh, it works. Medium speed appears to work good. So does high speed. Make sure the reverse. Okay, it's working. Have a good day, everyone.